Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase web accessibility awareness with W3C step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of web accessibility. Familiarize yourself with the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG. Visit the W3C website to explore their resources on accessibility. Identify the specific barriers that users with disabilities face while navigating the web. Engage your team or organization in discussions about accessibility challenges. Create a dedicated accessibility team or designate an accessibility champion. Develop a clear plan for increasing awareness about web accessibility internally. Organize training sessions focused on best practices for creating accessible content. Utilize W3CS resources, such as tutorials and case studies, during training. Host workshops to share tools and techniques for testing web accessibility. Set up regular meetings to discuss progress and challenges regarding accessibility initiatives. Encourage feedback from team members on accessibility concerns. Create visual aids or infographics that highlight key accessibility facts and statistics. Distribute information on accessibility within your organization via emails or newsletters. Promote the sharing of success stories related to improved accessibility efforts. Leverage social media to raise awareness about web accessibility. Start a blog or forum on your organization's website to discuss accessibility topics. Collaborate with other organizations to share knowledge and resources. Celebrate national events focused on accessibility, such as Global Accessibility Awareness Day. Assess the accessibility of your current web content using tools recommended by W3C. Implement changes based on assessment results to enhance accessibility. Monitor ongoing web accessibility efforts and adjust strategies as necessary. Promote an ongoing culture of accessibility and inclusivity within your organization. Encourage stakeholders to stay informed on the latest accessibility trends and standards. Foster an environment where everyone feels responsible for promoting accessibility. Aim for continuous improvement and commitment to web accessibility. Engage with users who rely on accessible features to understand their needs better. Maintain an open dialogue with everyone involved in the web development process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.